Hey folks! Want to convert any type of audio file like MP3, WAV, Florida AC, M4 Ampere AAC, and more into Opus format? This video provides you with a super beginner-friendly, fast and reliable solution. No need to install extra plugins. No complicated settings. No confusing interface, just a one-click batch conversion. Sounds great? All thanks to WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Launch the software. First, download and install WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro on your PC. Find the download link in the description. Then open it from the main interface, click Converter. Step 2. Add your audio files. Click Add Files or just drag and drop your audio files into the window. Whether it's one file or 100, the software handles them all at once, batch conversion made easy. Step 3. Choose Opus format. Now, click the format icon on the right to open the output format list. Go to the Audio tab and select Opus. You can optionally open the parameter settings window to tweak the bitrate, sample rate, or audio channels to match your needs. But the default settings work great for most people. Step 4. Start the conversion. Now, navigate to the bottom of the interface. Choose where you want to save the output, then click the Run button. And that's it! One click, batch conversion to Opus done in seconds. So that's how you convert any audio file to Opus with ease using WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick video tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.